What are antibiotics? Antibiotics are a class of powerful medications that are used to treat and prevent bacterial infections. They work by either killing or inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria in the body, allowing the immune system to effectively fight off the infection. The discovery of antibiotics was done into the 3 years. First is 1928. Alexander Fleming discovers penicillin, the first true antibiotic, while studying Staphylococcus bacteria. Second is in 1929. Fleming publishes his findings on the antibacterial properties of penicillin, laying the groundwork for the modern antibiotic era. Third is 1930s to 1940s. Significant research and development effort is made to purify and mass produce penicillin for use in World War II. The antibiotic theory. The antibiotic theory classifies into three types. First is microbiological origins. Antibiotics are typically derived from microorganisms like bacteria and fungi that naturally produce them to compete with other microbes in their environment. Second is mechanism of actions. Antibiotics work by targeting specific structures or processes in bacterial cells, disrupting the ability to survive and produce. Third is selective toxicity. Antibiotics are designed to be selective toxic to bacterial cells while leaving human cells unharmed, making them effective treatments. Where antibiotics were found. First is soil microbes. Many of the earliest and most important antibiotics were discovered in soil bacteria and fungi, which is naturally occurs. Second is plant and animal sources. Compounds with antibiotic properties have also been found in various plants, animals, and other living organisms. Third is synthetic development. With advances in chemistry and biology, scientists can now design and synthesize new antibiotic compounds in the lab. Fourth is fermentations. Industrial scale fermentation processes are used to mass produce many clinically important antibiotics from microbial sources. Scientists who helped discover antibiotics. First is Alexander Fleming, discovered penicillin, the first true antibiotic in 1928. Second is Howard Florey, led the team that purified and mass produced penicillin in the 1940s. Third is Salman Wachmans, discovered over 20 antibiotics including streptomycin in 1940s. Paul Ehrlich pioneered the concept of magic bullets to target specific pathogens. The important